Flipkart quiz ladies first gentlemen season 2 episode 30. Flipkart quiz: what percent of people believe that women have to be the stricter parent while men only spoil kids? And the right answer is 50. And second questions: what percent of people are okay with being in an woman relationship? And right answers 30%. And next, last questions, 3 number: what percent of people feel that women should not use swear words? And the right answers 60%. Thanks for watching.